Hello, are you ready to order?
I am. Are you?
Yes, I think so. What is the soup of the day, please?
It's spicy carrot soup.
No, I don't want that. I'll start with the mushrooms, please. And after that, can I have the chicken?
Sure. And would you like potatoes, chips, or rice with your chicken?
I'll have rice, please. Potatoes and chips are too heavy.
Fine. And you, sir?
I'd like the tomato and bean salad to start, please.
Sure. And for your main course?
The bacon burger, please. Can I have it without cheese?
No cheese, sure. And what would you like to drink?
A beer for me, please.
Really? You usually have wine.
That's true, but I don't want that today.
I'll have a beer too. And could we have some water too?
Sure. I'll bring your drinks in a moment. How was your meal?
Delicious, thank you.
Would you like dessert? The menu is on the wall over there.
Yes, I'd love one, but, I can't decide. The white chocolate cake or the orange cheesecake?
Well, I know what I want. Apple pie.
Sure. With cream or ice cream?
Ice cream, please.
No problem. And have you decided?
Well, I had orange cheesecake last time I was here, so I'll have the white chocolate cake this time.
Great. I'll bring them for you soon.